Okay, part 3 on this 1982 911 SC. So after the recharge, found that at idle, as the idle lopes, the compressor clutch is kicking in and out. So it has a control problem or a drivability problem. It either has something in drivability on the command of mode of operations. If the idle drops down, it automatically cuts out the clutch, or it has another control issue. Notified the shop owner of this so he can look into that and take care of that. The other issue found was the second subcooling condenser fan motor. It sucks in air from the front and it pushes the air down over the subcooling fan that is laying horizontally. That needs to be replaced. And next AC service, when the customer comes back, which with this much hose they always do because it always leaks, receiver dryer is to be replaced because of the grotesquely over moisture contamination in this system. That we can take care of next time, replacing the receiver dryer, and I'll leave it on my big vacuum pump overnight, and he should have a dry system. Plus on this situation, I'll be doing a triple purge and evacuate using nitrogen to help a little bit. And let me get the cap back on here before I forget that. And that's it on this Porsche.